We're going to talk about what makes a good joint, and it's a critical component. Making a good joint is really important in this chair because the primary joint is a dowel joint, round tenon, round mortise. The whole chair essentially is held together with these dowel joints, the rung tenon into the rung tenon on the rung and the rung mortise in the leg. The slats do not really hold the chair together. And what do we know about dowel joints in general? They fail.
Yeah.
They fail left and right if they're not done correctly, which is almost always the case. They always, you buy a manufactured piece of furniture anywhere that has dowel joints and they're going to fail because they haven't paid attention to the details of getting that joint right. So let's just say it weighs 10 pounds, which would be very high for a chair of this size, for this construction. These joints need to be strong enough for 250-pound person at least be able to sit in this chair and lean back. They're going to put a lot of stress on these joints in particular. They're going to want to rack and so for the round tenon and round joint, there are six components of making that a strong joint. And a 250-pound person can sit in this chair with no problem and lean back, and the chair's not going to come apart. I've been making these post and rung chairs since 2006, so 16 years. And in my personal experience, I've never seen a joint fail, not a single one, using these methods. I have chairs that I've made in 2006 and they're solid as a rock. I'm not saying they can't fail, but more than likely they'll last a long time using these methods.